That's when man and woman live by the yard.
Come.
Yeah.
See her there, she said me have to vlog. Oh, me not vlog. See her there, and I'm like, talk to the people and say hi. That's she shy. If I shut up, you not vlog and start, I come again. You know, say hi. Say hi to the people and say she not dress up, so I'm not sure. She not dress up. Hi, people. I'm not do her ear, so she not come in the vlog.
Yeah, look at my ear. That's when man and woman live by the yard. Let me go.
Later. Alright. So guys, I'm in Walmart. Them say, oh, category 1 storm. Sorry, category 1 hurricane coming. I may never take it serious. You know, like last time, a couple months ago, how much months now? 1 month? A month ago. Sorry, there was a hurricane. And then everybody went and shop and stuff like that. So I'm never go all out in a shopping. I'm just going to pick up a few things. Like, I never take it serious. And friends and family will call them, boy, you know, we'll get some stuff. And I'm like, oh no, I have stuff, it's okay. And they were like, no, not take it so light. So I'm going to run out here to get a few stuff. And we hear say Walmart are closing in the next hour. Like, there's a lot of wind outside and stuff. So I'm just going to shop for a few things and then that's it. Because I was sleeping. So I'm just throw on a hat and just run come outside.
Roasted cashew.
Ah, the cashew.
Oops.
Something. I wasn't get one of the roasted.
Yeah, they only have them aquafina.
Oh no. So yeah, as you can see, water finish, top shelf everywhere. I know.
Everywhere.
Oh, them have some over here, so okay.
Yeah. Everywhere. They have,
Yeah,
see,
but
they have some up there.
so I want to know you can't get more than one.
Yeah, they're not giving
So
you
them
more.
just start that right, that's no. I'm not like the water there. Cause even like cranberry, you know, so once you pull it, you have to put it back in the fridge.
No.
The cranberry, they have a funny taste. After a couple, probably 2 days or so.
Ginger ale. You don't drink ginger ale. Oh, another one.
Soda, yeah, so.
We have a lot of cereal. We have Lasco, so you can mix it with it.
Yeah.
Corn grits. Give me a little corn grits so we can boil them. Also the wheat though, my love. I can get one of them. I love this. I can get this.
Oh yeah,
This is really good. Creamy wheat. So what's the difference? So this is organic and it's a creamy wheat. This is nice. So let's just get this. Most people buy this. I don't know.
Okay, anyway.
I'm gonna try this. You know why I love to
Yeah, try.
no, like I love that one, but like this is empty for the shelf. Like if you see the things that empty for the shelf, I'm saying, oh, people are buying that, so let me go and buy that. I don't know why.
Hello.
I have a bacon cheese and I don't want no.
What? Light a flash and thing.
Yes, a lighter gray.
Yes, sir. Outside, windy door. Yeah, some of them something, man.
We're gonna take 2 of this. I have 2 already, so let's just do 2. We have a lot of canned stuff. So as I said, there's not much that we need. Not a lot of stuff. I we really can't buy nothing too cold because guess what? We don't know if we like to go. Let's get some diced mango. I love this. Love this. Only two left.
Black up, black up.
Oh, you're not bad? Sorry.
Yes, you take up some. You take up.
2 combis, just in case. Light gone.
Grace can't beef.
You want sardine? I don't like eat sardine. You want sardine?
No.
Yeah. I wish I could not have the sardine. Yeah. That's it. One mackerel. Go for one mackerel. I don't know, but then grace sausage is just the taste the same, don't it?
Yeah,
I don't
like
know.
that tough.
Then tough, then it tastes good. Yeah, sure.
Shirley biscuit, no sir.
Now look on the tree there behind me. Watch it. Watch there. Wow. It's really going to storm. There's a hurricane coming.
So that's why I always notice people fingers.
Guys, me run out.
What name?
I'm not calling about the name. Like, no, me cut out that.
No.
Me cut it out. Anyways, me woo! Me I go somewhere else. Me I go somewhere else. Forget. Yeah, peace out. So you like doing the busy? We'll get pizza from there. It wasn't bad. And they have Wing Street and so wings in there. A KFC you want? Sorry. So we go in there. When we look, I see the man will make the pizza and fingernail them too clean. For me see that, turn off. You know, me's a clean freak. Like, no, so you know, I think you're supposed to look more food. And your fingernail them full of black inside. Like, oh, that turns me off. Like, it turned me off, man. So let's see what KFC have to offer. Let's see.
Flour up on the hand.
Flour up on the hand and the black in it, like dirt in a fingernail. Like, I can't. I literally can't. Yeah. Sleeping face, come off there. I want original.
Original.
Like, just jump out of the also. Jesus. Because me used to water. Me in a Walmart. But when I got the water, I was in Walmart. I could even come here. But anyways, it's okay. So guys, I just got a pizza place. I have to run. They call the pizza name, the place where I get the pizza, but I cut it out. I don't call nobody name. And when she get for I come KFC, I get something to eat because I got a pizza place there. The fingernail of the guy where I make it, like in there, like you have blacky and the flour. In my cash, income cash. Like me not discriminate nobody.
Maybe a black pepper.
Like you say black pepper and dirt in a fingernail with flour around it. Like, I don't know, like you can't be serving food and your nails are all tacky. You know, clean up your hand. If you do the dough, wash, dig out your clean out your fingernail and stuff like that. Like, as I say, maybe a black pepper.
Hold on there.
Me don't know.
But come to think about it. I say it here in front time, you know. Come and see like you start move back in your hand.
Yeah, because you look down on your finger and you start, like you look down on your finger and you do this. You bend them, so you know same finger and dirty.
Yeah.
And once you say it to me, I was like, oh no, I'm out of here. So he said, what you guys want? I'm like, I'm sorry. I changed my mind. I think I said, I'm sorry.
Okay. Where's the car?
Okay. Like, just doing finger like that, and I'm like, Mr. Tim said, 1 minute, I'll be back. Like, nope, for me. Like, you're looking about food. Like, me, when it come on to like cleanliness, I'm big on that. I'm like big on that. Especially when it's cooking food. Like, no, not even my stove. Like when me cook on food, boil over upon it, me have to wipe it off. Me can't continue cook. Me have to sweep out the kitchen if anything drop on it. Grandmother say I sweep out your look. Should I wait I didn't wipe it out, but no, me I'm big on that. Like, no sir. I feel for the chicken thing, but why not? KFC is close by, so yep. Good there. Oh, let's case here buffalo sauce. Because buffalo sauce is fire. Buffalo sauce is really, really good. Really, really good. You have buffalo sauce? You don't carry buffalo sauce?
Only the buffalo ranch.
Alright guys, so I will check in back with you and give you updates on the storm, and then I will see you then. Are you ready?
Ay, ate. Jeez, I'm getting rest of this one. Wait, the vlog? You thought the vlog out? Guys, I don't feel good. I'm not feeling well at all. What I do, rain and fall, will it, huh? And wind out there, all of that. I don't get no much damage. Like, I don't listen to the news. But I don't feel good. My head and my belly are hurt me. So, just mostly with no damage.
Wind.
Eh?
Yeah, we can go on the road later, maybe.
If me feel better. Like, see the guys, I have eating pad. I'm not feeling well. Alright guys, I'm gonna have my tea. So, I'm gonna post a video today, so you guys will see this later on today. Yeah, my lip shine. I know I'm not gonna ask. Oh, my sick and my lip shine. My lip went too dry. Like this morning, I'm able to put on lip gloss. But, yeah, I just want to feel better. I'm gonna drink the tea, yeah? Feel better. And that's it. Alright guys, the camera open on my face too. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. And if anything happen outside, like I don't know, thank God that not happen, then I will show you guys. But it's mostly every rain and wind. Alright guys, bye.